Catch 'em all.
Hello friends, did you lose your AirPods several times? Are you looking solution to this? So watch this video. Today we are showing you the anti-lost silicone holder for AirPods. This is a safe case for AirPods, so take your AirPods with you everywhere. Item specifics: brand name, Leegoal, material, silicone. Item type, earphone case. Case size, 2.5 x 1.8 1.4 centimeters. Case color, 3 different colors available: black, white, blue. Features: easy to use and grips your AirPods safely. Designed to fit for Apple AirPods and EarPods. Made of durable, soft silicone material for long-lasting comfort.
If you want to know more about the product, go to the description below. Products link is also given in the description. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave us your comments, and share this video. Thanks for watching this video.